So, firstly, let's test law 1 of reflection of light. And law 1 says that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
So, to show this activity, I have a comb covered with chart paper, a mirror, and a torch as the source of light, and a plane or a surface from where we can see the ray of incidence and the ray of reflection. After all setups, we can see this ray of incidence and the ray of reflection. To prove first law of reflection of lights, we need to measure them. So, I am going to trace these ray of incidence and the ray of reflection. I have marked these two arrows to identify that which line is indicating about the ray of incidence and about the ray of reflection. And also I have made this perpendicular here to measure both the angles. After measurements, we can see here that the angle of incidence is 45 degree and the angle of reflection is also 45 degrees. So here, let us mark these angles. So hence, I have proved the first law of reflection of light, that the ray of incidence is equal to the ray of reflection.
So, after understanding about first law of reflection of light, we are moving towards second law of reflection. According to second law of reflection of light, the incident ray and the reflected ray are always on the same plane.
Again, we are able to see this ray of incidence and the ray of reflection. To prove second law of the reflection of light, we have to change this plane of ray of reflection. For that, I am using this pencil and I am keeping it on the ray of reflection. Here, what we can see is the ray of reflection is not jumping out of the pencil and it's just stopped here only. Hence, I have proved both the laws of reflection of light.